to put on our math hats. Turn on the math brain. Here we go. We are going to finish up subtraction with regrouping. Okay, because this is, excuse me, this is just reviewing things that you had learned last year. Connor?
Why were we never doing it in the book?
Because I think just I have a tickle in my throat.
You always get a tickle in your throat at the exact same time.
During math. I think it's better just to do practicing, trying different ways. See, I've been fine all morning until now. Trying different ways using the base 10 blocks or drawing it or standard algorithm. Okay, that's our goal, is to be able to get to the standard algorithm, but also be able to understand why you're crossing numbers out. Because you're not just crossing them out to make designs up there, are you?
No.
No, there's a reason why you're crossing it out, because you are regrouping. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of reviewing, and then I'm gonna give you it's gonna look like a worksheet, but it's gonna be kind of a quiz to see if you're understanding what we've been going over. Remember how we did that with the addition? Okay, it'll be similar to that. So starting out, I didn't know if I was ready to write. Let's say 743. Actually, I'm gonna make this black. And it's still not black.
Ours is already black.
Okay, 743. We're gonna subtract from that 254. Is it important to line up my digits directly underneath each other and above each other? Yes. When we are subtracting, just like when we're adding, what place do we always have to start in? In the ones place. So is my larger digit on the top?
No.
So can I subtract yet?
No.
Let's look over to our tens. Is our larger digit on the top in the tens?
No.
No. So where am I gonna have to start my regrouping? In the hundreds. Now, would it be okay if I started here? Would that be all right?
Yeah.
And I said, okay, I'm gonna borrow one of those tens. So now I have 13 ones. Would that be okay?
Yeah.
Let's check it and see. What's 13 minus 4? Write that down on your board. So this is what some of you are still working on. Let's move over to our tens. Is my larger digit on top? No, because I can't take 5 away from just 3. So I'm gonna have to go where? I'm in the tens. I have to go to the hundreds. I'm gonna borrow 100. And that leaves me with 6. But now instead of having 3 tens, I'm going to have 13 tens, which means I have 130 there, don't I? If I have 13 tens, can I subtract those 5 away from it? Yeah, now I'm ready to do that. Go ahead and finish subtracting to find the total difference for that problem. So you subtracted the ones already. 13 ones minus 4 ones leaves us with how many ones?
9.
If I have 13 tens and I take 5 tens away,
8.
I have 8 left. 600s, take 2 of those away,
Is
4.
left with 400s. So the difference of that problem was 489.
just
Okay. Clear your board. I'm gonna put some problems up on the board. You don't have to copy them down right now, okay? I'll just put a few problems on the board. Okay, so there's a variety of different problems. What I'm gonna have you do is practice these. I think we'll partner up again. We'll practice these. Nope, we'll have different ones. Okay, we'll practice these. I'll walk around and check over your answers, and then with the time remaining, we'll complete that practice page, that review, kind of a quiz in a way to see how you are doing with subtracting. Got it?
got it.
Okay. So if you don't have enough room to solve all of those on your board, you don't have to write them all right now. You can just do one at a time if you'd like to.
Nope.